Morning, welcome back to Betty's channel. She's doing the do as always. You've got to keep doing the do. I've got to keep doing the do. Betty's got to keep doing the do. So, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Drop a comment down below, tell us what you all think, because it's all this, everything's this. What we're doing today, Paul, well, let me tell you, Paul, what we're doing today. We're going to be cutting the other porthole in the offside rear door. And Betty might be getting a coat of paint inside. Tune in to see what happens next. Christine's just getting ready to paint. Yay! Just hoovering my little bits of up. Oh, hey, we're nearly ready. She's looking at me. I can't show her on camera. She's shy. Can we be on camera? She said no. Let's have a look at beautiful me instead.
Look at that colour. Look at that colour.
And where's that going?
On the bottom.
On the bottom? On the bottom of the bench seat?
Yeah.
Cool.
It might end up being white, yeah. I don't know what it's going to look like.
Right, let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Just doing second porthole today, so this will be included in the video. I'm trying something different. Sewing it instead of multi-tooling it. That's looking like it's a nice colour, isn't it? You happy with that?
Yeah.
Cool. I'll come back to you in a bit. Alright. Let's leave you to it.
Well, go on then, bug off.
That one was using the multi-tool yesterday. That one using the saw and the bench today. Tiny difference, but not noticeable in how much I've cut off, so yeah, happy with that. This is Betty's new colour. That's the wood. That's the whatever colour it is on that brush there. It might be, it's not sage green, but it's going to look mint. Mint green, you see what? Anyway.
It's not mint.
She's looking mighty fine with her new colour. I'm not just talking about Christine's ass. Oh, I really am sick of flexing. See what I did then? That's called sick of flex, and I'm sick of flexing. See what I did then? I'm funny. There we go. 2 portholes in the back of Betty the Transit. It's cool. And they're not actually, they're more or less level, to be fair. That could be like a mil lower. In fact, let's measure it. Just measure them. And that's 2.5 inches. And that's 2.5 inches. So I think it's a driveway that's not straight. Proper pleased with them. Yay. Look at that one coat on bench seat. Don't that look ace? Happy with that? Are you happy with that, Chrissy? Yeah. She's happy.
I love it.
If she's happy, I'm happy.
I bloody love it.
She bloody loves it. She bloody loves it. Ah, she loves it. She loves
It's
it.
lovely.
It's lovely. It's pretty lovely. Ah, yes. It's very nice. It's very lovely. Yes. It's lovely. Yes. See the bed. Look at that. Kitchen's done. Looks ace.
It's not done.
No.
Part done.
It's part done. But are you pleased with it?
Yeah.
I'm filming this, by the way. Look at that. Just looks really cool.
Did you just get my bingo wings in then?
No, I might got a bit of side boob, but not your big old wings. Hey! Looks really good with that mahogany. Quite impressed with that, what Chris has done. The colour she's picked. That's the bench seat. She's going to do the covers white apparently. Which are there. But yeah, totally transforms Betty Mark II. I build shit, I fix shit, she finishes shit off. Them panels I put on the other week, they've been painted, look really nice. On both doors. Bit of printing background. She's changed her mind and they're now going to be green. They're not white. But still looking good. Do you want to be in camera? No. Shaking her head no. So let's look. And beautiful. Oh, so the brush can get on it, can it? I see. Right, all these seats are now sorted. No point painting the back, so I'm going to put them in, Betty, and see what they look like. Look at the job Christine's done on them. Sis. Looking good. Well done, Chrissy. I'll just peek through these curtains and see what she's doing. She's giving Betty Dash a good clean. Look at
Shine
that.
on that.
Shiny, shiny.
Hey, they're good, these things, you know.
And what are they again?
They're, let me get the packet. Where's the packet? Oh, I don't know the packet. Oh, there.
RAC Dash Bright Pads, £3.50 from B&M's. Happy days.
Better than polish.
Better than polish. You heard it first. You heard it first here on Betty's channel. Right, I'll just put the cushions back on and see what that looks like. Looking good. We're still eventually going to get a long piece of foam that's a bit thinner because these cushions aren't ideal, these black ones. But yeah, looking at a million times better. I still love the woodwork, but that's going to be painted at some point. I don't know what colour because she might change her mind yet. But there you go. All done. And that's a view of both portholes from the back. Very nice. Right, that's it for today. It's a boiling hot day here in the northwest. I'm melting. Even my sweat's got sweat. My butt crack, I don't even want to go there. You know what I mean? It's that hot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, drop a comment down below, tell us what you all think about Betty's journey. And above all, I keep doing what I do.